Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that React Native developers might face while working on their projects. The issue involves encountering a build system crash error when running a React Native project on the iPhone 16 simulator. Despite trying various troubleshooting steps like cleaning the build folder, restarting Xcode, deleting derived data, and more, the problem persists. Frustrating, right? Now let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The key fix lies in running a specific command in your React Native project. By executing the command precodenpx React Native run ioscode, you can address the build system crash issue. This command is instrumental in identifying and resolving the cause of the error that's been plaguing your project. In a nutshell, we've explored a common problem faced by React Native developers when encountering a build system crash error on the iPhone 16 simulator. By running the precodenpx React Native run ioscode command, you can troubleshoot and resolve the issue efficiently. I hope this solution helps you get back on track with your project. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!